Hi, I'm Arun from IEEE India office. I recently had a training on advanced Excel from Adi. Adi is from iTech Analytical Solutions. So this typically everybody uses Excel for something very basic, copying, and pasting data, moving, having simple formulas and stuff like that. But with this training, I learned a lot of new things, a lot of new things that will help me, perform my day-to-day duties in perhaps much quicker ways. So I would recommend this training to anybody who works with data, whether it is a small set or a large set. It was a very good training. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pramod. I work as a senior manager education in IEEE. I've been with IEEE for the last 11 years with over 20 plus years of experience. Uh, I just went through the advanced Excel training for the last 6 days, and I must admit and also appreciate that the kind of benefit that I've derived out of it, because I'm into sales. We play with a lot of data every day. Our output is measured in reports and dashboards. But all these while we were only cut, copy, paste, and filter if I wanted some other data and put, copy and paste it into some other sheet. Very very tedious and very what do you call the human errors are were a lot compared to what we have learned in the last few days. Just want to give one example that now we are currently working on a project that needed a lot of sorting, filtering, conditional formatting, and text to uh, text formatting and all of that. And one of my team members was also working on it. And last 2 days, I took whatever that I learned, I tried to apply that. To be honest, no, it saved at least about 50% of my time, and it enhanced the efficiency, and also the output was great. you know uh, as I'm speaking, yesterday night also we worked on that project, and we have completed about 80% of it. Probably over the weekend or probably in the next couple of days, we'll try to adopt or maybe use more and more formulas and functions that we learned. I think it's really and greatly helping us, and that's what the outcome that I was hoping to take away after this training, and this is really so very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow iTech Analytic Solutions for daily learning. Namaskara.